Good afternoon and welcome to the WS Woodmachinery showroom. I'd like to show you a quick overview of this very nice quality Houfek Buldog 3 white belt sander. This is one of our best selling models. The working width on this one is 950 millimeters, but we also do an 1100 wide and a 1350 wide in the Buldog 3. This is a single head combination roller and pad, so it's quite a versatile machine for calibrating and finishing sanding. Where it steps out against a lot of our competitors is the build and the physical size. You know, if you look at the height from the floor, with nice long belts in there, they're 1900 millimeters long. A lot of our competitors use 1525 and some even shorter, and they're tiny little machines. But this is a proper white belt sander from Houfek, who are a specialist company, and that's all Houfek do is quality white belt sanders right up to top and bottom sanding lines. So they're very much specialists in the wood working white belt sanders. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration using the calibration roller. We're going to do a 120 grit belt just on a single pass.